So on this slide, you want to make sure that you you're in a class and that you're able to circle the conference app right over here. Conference app is right there. You're going to click there, and that'll take you to the conference app area where you can create your conference meeting. So again, circle conferences. So once you get into the conference app within Schoology within your course, you can look at active meetings that are scheduled. You can look at ones that are completed that you've recorded, or you can create a new one right there. So we're going to show you how to create a new one. So after creating new, you can name the conference, give it a start time and an end time, and also a date. So you can schedule a bunch of them. But what you also want to do is ensure that students know about what you're scheduling. So you will have to create an assignment with a due date. Then that will be posted on the right side of their Schoology page that gives them the invitation. Yeah, so just make sure to create an assignment. That way it'll show up in the student's calendar and it'll notify them of when they're joining the meeting.